we could do something like how is cherry blossom in rainy season, something like that. Could be Loi Kroh Road. How is Loi Kroh Road in rainy season? It's not raining, eh? Jacques reporting for you, Chiang Mai, late afternoon. It's Friday afternoon, 6 o'clock. Flip it. Rather busy around. It's a few holidays. We have a few holidays. No, not me. Hey, what we see here, the soy behind Loi Kroh Road, it's completely renovated. They did it within a week. No, maybe longer. Within 2 weeks. It looks like a highway with new drainage. Drainage is a thing. And Lucky is changed too. They have some more advertisement. Here there's the entrance of 404 Club. It's behind Spicy and Lucky. Spicy and Lucky is up front, where we came from. Lucky Bar, food and drinks is upstairs. We go upstairs. Join us. We go upstairs. I need some breakfast. Last week we had a video about electric failure with a cable breaking. If a cable would be breaking over here, it would be more serious, I think. How much fault would be running through those cables? They say they put the cables underground, but some places they make new poles. So yeah, check out the video. Check out the video on the old channel, Chiang Mai Thai video vlog. Serious electric cable over here. If one cable would fail over here, it would be a little bit more serious than at home. Did you see the video about the drama of the electricity and the tree? On the other channel, Chiang Mai Thai video vlog. Okay, breakfast. Breakfast, yes. Just wake up, man. What time is it? 6:30, something like that. So what's the time now? Almost 9 o'clock. Yes, extended breakfast. It was breakfast. We go down to yeah, so Lucky Bar and Restaurant. There's a great kitchen. They have good food. They have sports on television. Yeah, you can have breakfast, but you can have dinner as well. And there is a bar. And it's upstairs. It's behind Spicy and Lucky. Spicy and Lucky is almost a nightclub. And then after or behind there is another nightclub. It is I'm not sure about the name. And then you have this the roof terrace restaurant. They serve your food at the location as well, huh? Good food. Yeah, Spicy bar and restaurant behind. No, Lucky Bar. Lucky Bar and Restaurant. Lucky Bar and Restaurant behind Lucky and Spicy, formerly known as Lucky Bar. And underneath there is the 404 nightclub, but it will open late at night. Here you can have good food. Yeah, yellow curry, whatever. Oh, they have French fries too. Now we take a walk. We go around the corner. It's raining, so I cover the camera. We go around the corner to Loi Kroh Road. See you. So around the corner here we are. Cherry Blossom Bar. Cherry Blossom Bar here in rainy season. Loi Kroh Road in rainy season. It's raining. just early afternoon. What's the time stamp? It's about 9 o'clock, something like that. Okay, what we do? Yeah. Play pool, huh? Play pool at home, they say. Okay, we play. We fall. No, it's not fall. It's not autumn. It's rainy season. That's different. We have different seasons here in Thailand, and now they call it rainy season. Raining season. It rains. Can I play with your pussy? What's this? This is. Oh, not yet. Not yet. You. It's too easy. Huh? What? Oh, yeah. Cherry blossom here. Cherry blossom in rainy season. Here you are. Yes. Oh, now it's too short then. What? Yeah, you should be here. It's rainy season, it's raining outside. But here we have a miniature dhow. Cannot beat her too. What the? Easy, yeah, it's too easy. What? She didn't call it. Yeah, you should be here too, huh? It's better than anywhere else. You can go wherever you want to go. Vietnam, you stay in Europe, in the United States, you can do whatever you want. The best location is over here. Loi Kroh Road, Chiang Mai Thai. The winner, huh? Oh, this is up close. Close, yes. I was the winner, I played them all. Oh, yes, I do. I play them all. So, what's the theme of this video? What's the title? No clue. It could be Loi Kroh Road rainy season. We had some flooding, some video about flooding last week. We had another video in production this week. We had a drama on the other channel, and yeah, check it out. Check it out, the previous videos. What this video is about, I'm still not sure. No electricity failure, no rain. No drama this night, we're just having a good time. Where's the camera? Still, it's not a walking street there. There is some surveillance over there now. What's the smell? It's burning season. No, it's street food. It's rainy season. We talked about floods. We talk about electricity failure during the rain, because of the rain. Watch all the previous videos. And yeah, still there is smoke because there is barbecue all the time. We were talking about surveillance. Yeah, there is a camera seeing it all. If you are on the camera, if you are on the YouTube, you stay on the YouTube. Still, it's not a walking street. Joking all the same. There's a road with traffic. You cannot stand on the road like that. Loi Kroh Road, Chiang Mai Thai, searching for the title. Book. Yeah, things I never win, but intelligence. Eat and eat. Dalus, the evidence is gone already, but I did.
I already win, Papa.
Yeah. Let's see, I can win this.
ก็ไม่คิดว่าเขาจะชนะไง
If I am concentrated enough, I can win this. Back to the pool table, and this could, maybe I can win. That's not my table. It's not my table. It's green. But if I can win it, it's still the question. It's not my table. It's not her table too. But yeah, that's what we do. That's one of my biggest. Oh yeah, that's full. Yeah, this is not my table, and they come to check me. Where we could do something like how is cherry blossom in rainy season, something like that. Could be Loi Kroh Road. How is Loi Kroh Road in rainy season? It's not raining, eh? I could win this. Could win this, but yes, I was the winner. Not promoting anything here. Oh, no, Loi Kroh Road, Chiang Mai Thailand, promoting something like that. Yuppie. So the night is not finished yet, but we are under surveillance from the corner. So we leave it like this. We leave it like this. Thank you for watching. Still looking for the title. Still looking for the title. You didn't see the road. We're still looking for the title.
What is it? And then
See you later. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Look at all the previous videos. See you later.